Welcome to Global Creative Group and our Design Talk series where we review designs from around the world and pull out certain actionable items that can be useful to you as you or your teams are working through some of these designs. We're focusing on event design, exhibitions, experiential design. So with that, if you do like this video, please subscribe, comment, or like. To let YouTube know that you're enjoying the content. So with that, we'll get into it. This is for an event in Riga, Mercedes-Benz. So it's by an agency called Event Design out of Russia. This is not our design, this is theirs. This is on Behance, so we found this on there, and it's a very cool illustration of a concept which sometimes is underrated in our goal of just creating these cool shapes, cool forms when it comes to the architecture of these spaces. So with this, if you look at the space right here, it's very simple. It's just an L shape. It's an L shape, you got a stage, a vehicle, and a logo. Simple. Now, what's interesting about it is the way that they did the L shape. They did it using a pattern, and that concept can be used, can be expanded on and used throughout our own work. So if you look at that, even though the shape is simple, it's interesting. And so the idea of using a pattern to create that simple L shape or that simple wall is sometimes overlooked and can be really dramatic and powerful. I think the simplicity of it, from a conceptual standpoint, is part of what makes it so successful. Now, like, how can we do that, for example? So there are certain products out there, like, for example, Modular Arts has some of these sculptural screen walls. So this could be an interesting addition to your design or your team's design, even used at a large scale, like, for example, with that Mercedes-Benz design. So these can be used in series, so you can get a large wall with some openings in it and an interesting pattern as well. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, or comment if you enjoyed it, and hope you can utilize some of these concepts in your own designs.